I think homeowners should limit working on their HVAC system unless they've been trained or worked on them in the past. Obviously, a homeowner is completely capable of changing their filters and keeping up with that. Outside of that, I'd recommend a professional come out servicing your heating and cooling equipment. The best way to choose an HVAC contractor, the first thing we're going to recommend is reaching out to family, friends, and coworkers and see some of the experiences they've had in the past and if they have any recommendations. Outside of that, we would use the internet to do a Google search, look into the company that you're considering hiring, making sure that they're properly licensed, properly insured. I would be careful on low bid pricing and low cost advertising. Unfortunately, a lot of things that we see is, a $49.99 tune-up. Typically, you're going to see companies like that are looking to get their foot in the door, and you're going to leave with a much higher bill. I would definitely recommend having a maintenance plan or a tune-up at least twice a year on a basic residential system. I compare an HVAC tune-up similar to a tune-up in your car. If you never change the oil on your car, you're going to be putting excessive damage to the engine and some of the other components. Your heating and cooling system is a mechanical piece of equipment and it does require maintenance. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like. And if you have any questions about your home or your equipment, please drop a comment below and we'll try to feature it in our next video.